Alright guys, today I'm doing a review on Jordan's Morning Crisp. This is Simply Strawberry. This was on sale, and if you take a look, GMO free, source fiber, whole grain, and let's do the nutrient panel. There you go. 12 grams of sugar. This is the ingredients. So let's open this up and do a quick taste test right here. There we go. Check that out. Quite good. So they got the freeze-dried strawberries in here. Yeah, quite good. Sweet. It does contain the sugar a bit, so you want to be careful of that. Other than that, definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.